Understanding, check the size chart, a guide for online shoppers. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical and essential phrase that you'll often encounter while shopping online. Check the size chart. Understanding this phrase is crucial for ensuring that you get clothing that fits you perfectly, avoiding the hassle of returns and exchanges. So, let's break it down together and make your online shopping experience smoother. When you see the phrase, check the size chart, on a clothing website, it's a helpful reminder from the retailer. They're advising you to look at a specific chart that lists measurements, like length, waist size, chest size, etc., corresponding to the sizes they offer, such as small, S, medium, M, large, L, and so on. This chart helps you understand which size is the best fit for your body dimensions. It's an essential step because sizes can vary significantly between brands or even between different items from the same brand. Checking the size chart is important for several reasons. 1. Avoiding returns. By selecting the size that matches your measurements, you're less likely to need to return the item because it doesn't fit. 2. Saving time and money. Getting the right size on the first try saves you the time and possibly money spent on return shipping. 3. Consistency in sizes. Since there's no universal sizing standard in clothing, what one brand considers a medium might be a small in another. The size chart ensures you're comparing your measurements against the brand's specific sizing. 1. Measure yourself. Before checking the chart, you'll need your current measurements. Use a tape measure to find your chest, waist, hip, and inseam sizes, depending on what you're buying. 2. Compare with the chart. Find the size chart on the product page and compare your measurements with those listed in the chart. 3. Consider the fit. Remember, some clothes are designed to be loose or tight. Consider the type of fit you're looking for when choosing your size. We hope this guide helps you navigate the often confusing world of online shopping sizes. Remember, check the size chart is more than just a suggestion. It's the key to ensuring you're happy with your purchases. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video where we'll uncover more helpful tips and tricks for mastering the English language and beyond. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning!